Hey guys, welcome to the youngest coder. By the way, sorry for the background noise. It's nothing. So I made this game. It's basically a random question generator. Basically, you got to click on the green flag, like in the instructions, then on any one of the buttons. So let's do plus. Actually, let's do into. Now, type the answer of the two numbers on the top left and the symbol you clicked. So I clicked into and oh, it's 23 and 2. That means I need to do 23 into 2. It is 46. Right. Click enter. Click on the reset sprite and repeat the process with a different symbol. Wink. Okay, so reset, and this time I'm intentionally going to do what do we say? I'm intentionally gonna do a wrong number. So let's just do 1. Oh, okay. Now let me show you how it works. So first, let's get to the plus sign. I had to. Oh, sorry. I had to paint the sprite. I have to paint all of these 4 sprites and the reset one and the instructions. The tick mark and the wrong are already available. So here, when the sprite clicked, when the plus sign is clicked, set number 1 to pick random from 1 to 1000. Okay, so here it will pick a random number from 1 to 1000, and it will do the same in number 2. So that's why over here it's 937 and 375. Okay, then ask number 1 plus number 2 and wait. So, did you see that it asked something? Here it's asking. That's what. Okay, if so the answer is the input you give to the computer like this. So, this is the answer, right? So here, if the answer is number 1 plus number 2, so if the answer is number 1 plus number 2, then you should broadcast correct. I'll get to that later. Else, broadcast wrong. You got what that means, right? Basically, leave out the broadcast. If answer equal to number 1 plus number 2, it's correct. Else, it's wrong. Cool. Now, the same thing happens to the minus. Here, instead of plus, we are minus here. Here, it's not plus, it's minus. Same thing. Into, it's also the same thing, except in this, it generates really big numbers. It's so hard to calculate. So I added pick random from 1 to 100, and this one is pick random from 1 to 10. It will be easier. And in the division sign, it's the same thing. Division. Cool. Now to the tick mark. So remember about these broadcast ones. So here, when flag clicked hide. So when flag clicked hide, when I receive correct, so this is the tick mark, so it should receive correct. When I receive correct, show. Okay, I'll just show something here. 81 into 7. Never mind, leave it. You got it. When I receive correct, show. So if the answer is correct, then it should show, and then it should play the sound connect. And I know it doesn't sound like much, but connect is this. That sounds like a correct, not connect. I'll get to this later. Okay, see here, button 5. When flag clicked, it should hide the same thing. When I receive wrong, so when the answer is wrong, it should show, it should play the sound dun dun dun. Just this. Okay? Okay. Now, for the reset button. Here, when the sprite clicked broadcast lol, I was just messing around, so don't mind that. Broadcast lol. So here, um, I'm just clicking on a random thing, and if I click reset, wait, I have to like do it. Nice. Okay. Now if I click reset, it should broadcast lol. Okay. So if I click this, the cross sign disappears and these become 0. That's what happens here. When I receive lol, it should hide. So if it's correct, then it should hide. Then set number 1 to 0, set number 2 to 0. Same thing here. Got it? Oh, okay. So here, sprite 1. If I didn't bother to name this is just the instructions. So it's your wish if you don't want to add this. It'll just be helpful. So if you want to learn how to do this, then you can just replay the video. Okay. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.